In today's video, we're taking a look at a watch that I just got from Pierre Fontaine de Varan from France. It is coming from a brand called Belvans, which is a mixture of two French words, belle, which means beautiful or pretty, and vance, which rhymes with elegance. So basically the watch brand's name means belle, beautiful and elegant, in one word. So it's a pretty nice box. I've already had this watch for a while now. It's a nice, wooden box with, warranty information and a card right here with the watch and a microfiber cloth for you to clean up the watch should you decide to do so. Now, taking a closer look at the watch, we have a 38mm case, 11mm in terms of thickness, and a 46mm in terms of the lug-to-lug distance. We have a strap that is kind of like this integrated type of strap, tapering from 22 all the way to 20 at the buckle. The watch is powered by the Miyota 8315, which is rated at -10 to +20 seconds a day, but I was told that they regulate this movement at the factory so that it is more accurate than its factory setting. For my particular watch, I tested it on the time grapher at +6 seconds per day. The watch has 100 meters of water resistance with a sapphire crystal with inner AR coating, as well as this deep black dial, which is called Musu black, which is like more than 99% black. So it's actually very hard to capture on camera because of how dark the dial is. And as you can see, it wears pretty nicely on my 17-centimeter wrist. Now, Belvans reached out to me a couple of months ago to ask me if I wanted to review one of their watches and which one I wanted to get. And I chose the silver one, but it was out of stock for a couple of months. And I just recently got it because of how popular the silver model is. There is also a gold one and a rose gold one that are available on their website. Link down in the description section below. Now, I want to be fully transparent with you guys that I did get this watch for free from Belvans and I do not have to send it back. Now, Belvans assembles their watches in France. Other than the name, which is inspired by two French words, we do have the Eiffel Tower right here, la Tour Eiffel, on the seconds hand. And we also have the Fleur de Lis, which is, symbol of French royalty on the custom rotor for the Miyota movement, as well as a Fleur de Lis in a crown right here on the custom buckle. And coming from the French part of Canada, I was able to talk with the people from Belvans in French, and they do sell these watches on a boutique Publicis, I believe, on the Champs-Élysées when you visit Paris. So it's a nice, little souvenir that you can get if you like France, if you want, a little souvenir from Paris if you visit, or if you just, like a nice, very elegant watch that has this integrated leather strap. The case is made out of stainless steel, but it also has this DLC coating to prevent scratches, and it also has a titanium coating on the inside to help with magnetic resistance. I really like the Musu black dial. I think the camera cannot really do it justice because of the reflections, but once you have it in real life, the deep black is just like something that is really awesome to see. There is inner AR coating on the underside of the crystal, so you kind of don't even see, the crystal at certain angles. Obviously right here it's very sunny, so you can see the reflections, but if you just look at the black dial like this, straight on, you kind of cannot see the crystal, and it is this very deep black that is very hard to capture on camera. It kind of blends the line between sports and dress. There's no lume on the dial, making it, a little bit dressy with the leather strap right here, the Roman numerals, but it's also kind of sporty at the same time with a 100-meter water resistance and sapphire crystal, and with this octagonal case shape. Now, two things I like to talk about before you decide to buy this watch. First of all, there are no minute indices onto the watch, so if you do want to set this watch for reference time, you have to wait every 5 minutes to do so instead of every minute. Another thing is that the Miyota movement is kind of noisy while it is on your wrist. It is a characteristic of most Miyota movements. The rotor, when it is spinning, will have a lot of noise. If that sort of thing bothers you, then that is something to consider if you do decide to purchase this watch. Other than that, I have no complaints. It is pretty high quality. The leather strap, the case, the Musu black dial. They even regulated the Miyota movement to be like +6 seconds per day, which is within COSC chronometer specs. So overall, I think if you want something that is fun, that will remind you of your trip to Paris, you know, with the Eiffel Tower on the second hand, as well as the fleur de lis right here on the buckle, as well as the rotor, it is a pretty cool watch to consider. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask down in the comment section below. If you want to purchase this watch, first link down in the description section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.